In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this pot of gold. For the base of the charm, I'm using this cupcake mold. Putting some black clay into the mold, cutting off the extra. Using my finger to smooth it out. Roll out a black piece of clay into a long snake. Wrapping it around the rim of the cupcake base. Cut off the extra. Use a needle tool to blend in the ends. Roll some yellow clay out into a long snake. Cut into small pieces. Rolling them all into small balls, then flatten them out just a bit. Next, you'll want to stack them on top of the cupcake base. After you stack them on how you like, then I shade them with some gold pigment. Then you'll want to add an eye pin to turn it into a charm. Bake it according to package instructions. Now you'll want to secure your eye pin with some super glue. Next, I'm glazing my charm with some UV resin. After putting the UV resin on, you'll want to put it under a lamp or in the sun for a few minutes. And attaching the lobster clasp and the jump ring to make it a charm. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And here is your finished charm.